Shubor Nakashlem Jong Nongsan Hima.
Menteri ka Sorkar Jila uba Wailad Miki Shila, ulo Kyntu ka Khasi Students Union bakanwan Ïakren bat ka Sorkar Halor ki Jingdawa Jong ki. Habakren shikilat pathai kubor uba Wailad ulo ong baka Sorkar ka kloy ban pedang ki Ïakren bat ka kloy ban sngap ki Jing kumta ulo khot ka KSU bakanwan shakmat ban Ïakren bat ka Sorkar. Kani ki Jingdawa Jong kadai baka KSU kala dawa ya bun tali ki mat Jingdawa bat kala aipor khat san sngi ka Sorkar bakan pen ulong no ka Jingdawa Jong ki. Jingdawa ki kinthop ban pendam no eka public hearing Jong ka Shri Cement Limited ban wengkam USP DC bat ki officer ka State Pollution Control Board bat ki officer ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board ka MRSSA Araja Arpu Henrio ban penbet ye ki Jing Nigrims bat ki be de.
Because I want to make it very clear that the government is open for discussion. So we are ready to listen and to deliberate, to have a dialogue, and I think that is the way forward. So I'll request that to urge the Khasi Student Union to come and have a dialogue with the government.